So hello guys, my name is Kalilong Carlo Miguel Dizon and my proctor is Dominic Alfred Santos, Section 8 WRP. So in the beginning, hi everyone, today I'll be guiding you through a cardiovascular training routine, but first, let us talk about some of the benefits of cardio training. First, improve heart health. It strengthens your heart and help it pump blood more efficiently. Second, boost lung capacity. Cardio helps you breathe better by improving your respiratory system. Aids in weight management. It burns calories and help reduce body fat. Increases energy levels. Regular cardio make everyday activities feel easier, reduces stress and boosts mood. It releases endorphins that make you feel good. So I'm gonna show you how to demonstrate it. The arm circles. You can do this for just like 30 seconds, doing it like 14 to 21 reps only. I'm gonna show you first before I explain it. It's just like this. This is the first training that we gotta do. So that exercise is for upper body. It is good for, is it good for like stretching before starting the game, or just preparing your body to have a exercises. So 15 seconds you can do it for like 15 seconds forward and 15 seconds backward, like that one. And the second one is leg swings. Oh no, I'm gonna explain first. That is a great dynamic stretch for the shoulders and arms. Okay? Instructions: perform small to large circles forward for 15 seconds and backward for 15 seconds. So I demonstrate it as you can see earlier. And second is leg swings. It's loosen up the hips, glutes and hamstrings. Perfect before cardio. So this exercise is perfect before you run or you just hike, so that you will not get sprained or hamstrings in your lower body. So I'm gonna demonstrate it. Stand tall, hold onto a wall or chair and swing one leg forward and backward in a controlled motion. So I'm gonna show it to you like this one. Hold. And the other one. You can do this for 15 to 20 reps. Perfect and controlled. So the next is cardiovascular exercises. This is what they call jumping jacks. So we all know this because for all the years that I'm enrolled in WRP, we always do this before doing basketball, volleyball, or badminton to prepare our body and we will not be shocked. Jumping jacks are for full body cardio move that gets your heart rate up fast. This is the instruction of it. 3 sets of 30 seconds each. I'm gonna demonstrate it. Classic jumping jacks, arm overhead, feet wide. Okay, so I'm gonna show it to you. Arm overhead and 30 seconds each rep. This one. that one. So the next one is static stretch for the upper body and static stretch for the lower body. You'll do this like for a minute because this is just a calm down stretch. Tricep stretch, upper body, static stretch. So I'm gonna explain it. This stretch targets the triceps and shoulders, helping you cool down. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds per arm. Demonstrate. Reach one arm overhead behind the elbow and use the opposite hand to gently pull the elbow. So this one first, I'll show it to you. Other one. Okay. So you can hold that for 30 seconds. 30 seconds each hand. So the next one is standing hamstring stretch, lower body, static stretch. This stretch focuses on the hamstring and lower back instruction. You can hold it for 20 to 30 seconds. I'm gonna demonstrate it. Stand tall, reach down toward your toes while keeping legs straight. It's like this one. I'm gonna show it to you. You can reach your toes with a straight hand and pull that like that. 7 to 14 reps, you can do it like that one. So this exercise prevents you from having sprains in the hamstrings when you're over fatigued playing. This will help you a lot. So that's all. So after your stretches and trainings, don't forget to drink water and stay warm. Okay? Thank you. That's my name.